As we approach the last 10 nights, if you slacked all Ramadan and you feel upset because you regret not giving it your all, then I have some good news for you. The last 10 nights of Ramadan are more virtuous than any other nights in the whole year because they have this one night called Laylat Al Qadar. And Laylat Al Qadar is equivalent to 1,000 months of worship, where the angels come down on earth and Allah opens His mercy to mankind like no other time of the year. And therefore, you're probably wondering what I can do or what dua should I make in these last 10 nights. And the one dua that the Prophet ﷺ recommended us to make was Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul a'fa fa'fu anni, which translates as, O Allah, you are the most forgiving and you love to forgive, so forgive me. Say this with a humble, broken heart for all your times of neglect and sin in the past. Make sure to say this every night in the